Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you some popular AI tutorials covering various topics. First is Machine Learning Basics, Andrew Ng's Machine Learning course on Coursera. This is a comprehensive introduction to machine learning concepts and algorithms. Introduction to Machine Learning by Sebastian Raksha. This books cover fundamental machine learning concepts with practical examples in Python. And the second is Deep Learning. Deep Learning Specialization on Coursera by Andrew Ng. This series of courses covers deep learning concepts, neural networks, CNN, RNNs, and more. Deep Learning by Ian Goodfellow, Joshua Bengio, and Aaron Corville. This book provides a comprehensive introduction to deep learning. Third is Natural Language Processing, which is NLP. Natural Language Processing with Python by Stephen Bird, Ewan Klein, and Edward Looper. This book provides an introduction to NLP using the Python programming language, speech and language processing by Daniel Jurafsky and James H. Martin. This book covers a wide range of topics in NLP, including speech processing and sentiment analysis. Fourth one is Computer Vision. Computer Vision Algorithms and Applications by Richard Zelinsky. This book provides a comprehensive introduction to computer vision algorithms, and techniques. Palmage Search. These websites offer tutorials and guides on various computer vision topics using Python and OpenCV. Fifth one is Reinforcement Learning. Reinforcement Learning An Introduction by Richard S. Sutton and Andrew G. This book is a classic introduction to reinforcement learning concepts and algorithms. OpenAI spinning up in DeepRL. This resource provides tutorial and code implementations for getting started with reinforcement learning. These resources cover a wide range of AI topics and are suitable for beginners as well as more advanced learners. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.